Okay, so hello everyone, and very good afternoon to all of you. So it's the afternoon. I hope that you all are full of energy and you had your lunch and all set for this today's Synergy Sphere session. So I hope that you all are getting all the information about the Synergy Sphere session in your emails and on your Telegram channel. So if anybody is missing out, you can please raise a ticket for it. And welcome to this session on behalf of MIT SD. I am Priya Chanda. I am academic coordinator with MIT SD, and I am welcoming you all to this session on behalf of MIT SD. Before we get dive into the session, I just have a poll for you all. Just for my information, I would like to know that how many of you are attending this session for the first time. So far, under this initiative of Synergy Sphere by MITSD, we have conducted 10 sessions, and this is our 11th session. So I would like to know that how many of you have attended any of our session before. So can I have the poll question? Please answer the poll question. And if you have attended, please select yes. And if you haven't, um, I hope that you all are able to see the poll question. Do not put your answer in the chat box, put it on the poll. Okay. So thank you for your responses on the poll question. It will be really helpful for us. So let us, for those who have not attended any of our sessions so far, let me introduce this platform to you all. Our platform is Synergy Sphere Uniting Minds for Collective Success. And under this initiative, uh, we want to provide our students a platform where they can share their knowledge, wisdom, and experiences with their fellow peers. And our primary objective with this initiative is to foster a learning community where our students can not only exchange their insights within their respective domains, and also they can share their personal life journeys and experiences. So our goal is to inspire our students to connect with each other, allowing them to learn and grow together. So we are glad that you all are here and to support each other. And also, I would like to inform you that we have received a good response from our students to be a part of this initiative, to be a speaker at this platform. And one such student is here with us today. I will be introducing him very soon with you all. And so this is great to have him here today with us. And our student for today's session is Mr. Rohit Doshi. He is our student for PGDM program in operations management, and he enrolled with us on 27 December 2023. And he is an accomplished electrical engineer. So just give me, yeah. He's an accomplished electrical engineer with over 15 years of hands-on experience, spanning over project and maintenance role. Throughout his career, he has been dedicated to providing on-site solutions to diverse clients, troubleshooting a range of mechanical, electrical, and control-related issues. Currently, he is serving as an area service manager at TMTL Engines, Enrich Engines. He oversees operations in Ahmedabad, and previously he had held a position of key account manager, railway at Cummins India, where he specialized in addressing railway related challenges. So this is our speaker for today. Before I invite him on and hand over this platform to him, I would just like to give you all an overview of what is going to be in our session today. So as you can see on our slide, there will be a short introduction of our speaker from his side. He will be telling you in detail what has been his experience so far and how he was able to reach to this level, and how he molded his career in this field. And You will also be getting some career guidance from him on how any student of arts can make a career into this sector, and what are the pros and cons here of being into this sector. And you will learn about handling difficult customers. So because it is a service sector, so how to deal with difficult customers, how you can manage your team with good communication skills, and to solve and tackle problems in time. You will be also seeing some effective strategies to to overcome any recurring issues which you are facing, which the customer is facing. And also at the end, we will have a group discussion which will be based on the topic which we will be discussing today. And the group discussion will be related to a situation which for which you will have to come up with a solution. So these are the things which will be in our today's session. So now, without any further ado, I would like to invite platform and to introduce himself from his side. So, Mr. Rohit, I would like to invite you here to hand over this platform, and I would like you to introduce yourself.
First of all, thank you so much, MIT, for giving this opportunity to get connect with those my peers, colleagues, and students. Thank you so much for that. Second, as Ms. Priya told about me, myself, Rohit Doshi, I am having 15 plus years experience in customer support field, and with the various companies I have till that I have working. It's like I have started my career with one of the authorized dealer of Cummins India Limited. After that, I joined Kohler India Corporation. After that, I joined Cummins India Limited. And recently, I am working with TAFE Motors and Tractors Limited from last 2 years as an area service manager for whole Gujarat. And here I am taking care for as a technical expert, taking care of all the customer issues and any other issues customer is facing in field. So I am catering that issues. This is brief about me. If I am talking about my educational, so I have earlier completed my diploma. After that, I completed my degree. Now I joined MIT to complete my PGDM to further grow and to improve and enhance my skills. You can say managerial skills. So this is a brief. If I am talking about my family, my father, mother both are at home. Mother is a complete housewife. Earlier, father was within the business. Now he is at home only. My wife is a working professional, and I am having a 2.5-year-old daughter with me, and we all are living in Ahmedabad. So this is a brief intro about my family. So shall we go ahead?
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your introduction here. So we would like to have another poll question for you all students. I would like to know that how many of you are already working in this sector, and if you are working, then how many years of experience do you have? So yes, the poll must be visible on your screen. So I would like to have your responses there so that we will have an idea in which direction we have to take this session and what all you would like to know from us today.
Miss Priya, you are on mute.
Hello.
Yeah.
Am I audible now?
Yes. Now you are
Yes,
audible.
yes. So thank you for your responses, student. And it was good to see that many of you are from this sector. So for those who are not aware of this sector and what this field is all about, I would like Mr. Rohit to enlighten our student little bit about it, that what basically a service manager does in his day-to-day life, and what are their responsibilities as their job role. Yeah. So you're on mute. Can you please unmute?
No, you are not.
Yeah, fine. Sorry. Thank you. So being a service manager, initial responsibility is to get the customer satisfied, because he is bought any product from us, and if he is unable to use it, so definitely he will getting mood swing immediately. So day-to-day basis, its initial job is to maintain the customer relationship, solve his complaints, and give the best from our product so that he can use and he can reliable with us. He can rely on us every time. It will be it will be beneficial if your service support is strong. It will be much beneficial for any company to maintain and grow, maintain his reputation in the market, as well as get market growth easily. If your service is not proper, then definitely you will hamper your customer as well as your company's growth as well. Other than that, another part of a service manager is to maintain, he has some accountability related to, I can say, financially, it will be a service side. Okay, service, but still he has to maintain the financial impact also, because if there are some repeated issues, and if someone is either my video is not visual,
Yeah, it is clear, sir.
is it
So you may try to switch it off and switch on again, like if it is not visible for
no,
some.
it's visible for me. If someone is not visible, then I will do it. Okay, I will do it once again. Hope it's fine now.
Yes, yes, you are clear.
Yeah, so apart from the technical side, there is another role of service manager is to get the service from the customer. So it will give some revenue, additional revenue to the company in the behalf of parts or service visited, which will be engineer is doing. So this is the main basic role of a service manager.
Okay. So sir, as you are in the service sector, so may I know like which tools or which equipments you are working for, in which area you are providing your service?
Basically, we are in the generator fields. It's also some of the know about generators. Generator is nothing but a power backup,
Achha.
just like a power bank. Okay, in today's, if you know the power bank, we have it to charge our mobile. It is just like to provide a power backup to any industry, any household, company, offices, hospital, whatever it is. So generator was the unit which is giving you the power backup.
Okay.
So I'm especially working for that, and it will be in the different mode. It's like a normal generator, or might be some automation is there, some synchronizations are there. There are multiple configurations are available.
Okay.
Yeah.
Also, sir, will you be able to name some of them, if possible, from your side? That what are the specific ones, like generators? And which one you can you mention? Or
Sorry, not getting your point. Can you please pardon?
so any of the specific generators, like any type of any.
Me, generator is only a single type. It's a AC generators.
Acha,
Okay.
okay.
There are multiple manufacturers in this field. Like, this one of the manufacturers we are there. It's a TMTL.
Okay.
Another one is Cummins are there. Kirloskar are there.
Mhm.
Greaves Cottons are there. These all are the players in the genset field. The
Okay.
genset is vary from according to range. It's starting from 5 kVA up to, it goes up to 3000 kVA. As per the requirement, it will be provided.
Acha, okay, sir. So, sir, as you are in the service sector, so I
Hello.
just made. Hello, am I audible?
Uh, yeah, audible. Actually, your voice is
Yeah.
getting stop in between.
Okay, okay. Just give me a minute. The net is little. Okay, okay. So yeah, so sir, that as you are in the service sector, so there must be some customers you must have encountered who are very difficult for you to handle, and but in that situation, that how did you handle such situation when it occurs?
If I am talking about some hurdles in that, so I recall one of the example. It was a Bharti Airtel. Hope everyone knows Airtel. It is our service provider. So he bought our 1000 kVA DG set, and after installation of DG set, after 1 or 2 days, he's getting issues with that. Somehow something was get wrong with it, so he is facing some problems, and because of that, their jobs are at stake. So he directly escalated to our corporate office, same thing, without informing to ground team. So initially, at that moment, I was the responsible person in that area. You can say I was the area in charge for that whole area initially. So at that moment, we have talked about them. So just So after we receive a escalation from corporate office, we have just discussed with the customer and just get connected with them. Then what was the issue? So initially the customer was get whatever his frustration, he's just remove it. So we wait for that time. But okay, just he has to complete his work. Then we'll discuss on what is the issue he is facing. So initially after doing all the things, then we'll just inform them that boss, we are not getting any confirmation or any mail or message or call from your end regarding you are facing any issues. So the guy who's like shouting and frustrating was getting immediately his gesture was changed. He is in the shocking mode because he was having the information that they have given a mail and they have called to us that we are facing problem but we are not responding. So, and even that guy was a circle head actually. So after that complete discussion, we get the information from there, and then personally I have visited to that customer to know the issue to resolve it. So after visiting that site, we found that there are some wiring related issues are there. So we corrected that with the help and some electronic tools and all. We have corrected everything. Then we just hand over equipment again to customer and told him just get the trial and confirm. So after that, customer took multiple trials, and he was after that he was too much satisfied with the services and the way we respond him, because he was facing the issue with the very new set, and within a within 1.5 hour he got the resolution. So he was totally satisfied with that, and he was acknowledged that thing on certificate and as well as a mail over mail with the mentioning our my as well as my team's name that they supported me at that extent.
So, sir, it was a really wonderful example. Just I would like to know little can you just name some three points which should be on the top priority when you are facing such issues? What should be your first, point of first action when you are encountering such situations? Like any
Okay.
three, yeah.
Yeah, sure. Initially, you have to listen the customer first, what he wants to share, because maximum time you will get your solution in his voice only. So if you get information from them first, gather the information from them, then definitely maximum you can say out of 100, 99% your problem is their resolution is in the question only. The 1% is like everywhere there is a some threshold was there, some quota was there that something else you will get. So at 100%, 1% will be might be something else you will get. So initially listen to customer carefully what he is facing, because he is the ultimate one who is using the equipment. So first listen it carefully. Second, before going to work on the any equipment or anywhere, just if you have a history with you, then just go through it. That is there is any issue with it or something, just type of issues are already you are facing. So second is just go through the study, and final and most important, when you complete your work, just inform to customer before leaving. So this is the main three keys. If you maintain this, then you can manage easily.
Okay, so you have to be very prompt and a very good listener to handle any such situations, isn't it?
Exactly.
Okay,
Service field is everything about the listening, actually active listening.
okay, active listening.
Active listening with lots of passions you have.
Mhm. Okay. So, sir, as you have mentioned that you have to on a daily basis you have to face some challenging customers here. So, I would like to know So yeah, if any student want to come in and want to ask anything, you can ask and unmute yourself, and we will go further in the in this session once you are clear with your query. So if anybody like Vijay GS has posted here, so if you like to unmute and you want to add to this, and if you want to ask anything, you can do that. And you can even raise your hand virtually so that we can help you to unmute yourself. Okay, so Vijay GS here has posted that it is important that to understand the customer, working according to him and providing the perfect solution. So these are the key for handling a difficult customer. Okay, we have got here Ambika. She wants to share something. So can we unmute Ambika?
Sir, what was the basic learning from that uh, committee which you got from the market? What was the basic outcome from your team's visit and the solution what you provided to the customer?
The actually thing was that at the moment we have reached to the customer, initially customer, I can say that the top management is not aware about what ground team is doing. First learning we got it from there only, that their ground team is giving him some misinterpretation, that they have informed and so and so and so things. So first we clear that one. So from that we know that first you have to confirm whether their top management is aware about issue or not, or whether they have a sufficient information with them, or their team communicated to him accordingly or not. Because कोई भी है, अगर मैं आप कोई भी हम में से कोई भी गया और सडनली अगर हम सीधा उस कस्टमर से डिस्कशन के मोड में आएंगे, तो वहां प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होने की जगह वो इंक्रीज होने वाली है, और माइट भी वो एक डिससेटिस्फेक्शन के वे में जा सकती है, जो अल्टीमेटली कंपनी को भी हैम्पर करेगा कहीं ना कहीं. सो फर्स्ट लर्निंग वो था. सेकेंड लर्निंग, हम लोगों को जो इशू मिला था, लाइक एक्चुअली वो प्लांट का मिस्टेक नहीं था, वो कस्टमर एंड से वायरिंग में गड़बड़ हुआ था. कस्टमर वॉज टेकिंग सम इनपुट्स फ्रॉम दैट डिवाइस. सो उन्होंने वायरिंग्स रिमूव किया, बट जब वापस उन्होंने कनेक्ट किया, सो वो उन्होंने गलत कनेक्ट कर दिया था. सो एट दैट मोमेंट वी सिंपली आस्क देम कि अगर आपको कुछ भी आउटपुट चाहिए मेरे सिस्टम में से, जस्ट आस्क अस वंस, सो विल गाइड यू अकॉर्डिंगली. सो सेकंड थिंग we get it from that they are not going with the proper process. They are trying by their own and just bypassing the system. So because of that they are facing the issue. This is a two major outcome we will get from that side only. And accordingly we inform to customer ground team as well as top management as well that sir, if you need any support, we are always here, or you can take a on call support as well. We can available anytime.
सर, ये प्रॉब्लम को सॉर्ट आउट करते हुए कौन से कॉन्सेप्ट को यूज किया गया आपके टीम के द्वारा, थोड़ा अगर बता सकें.
एक्चुअली हम लोगों ने
प्रॉब्लम
सिंपल,
सबके साथ ये रिपीट होता है, पर अगर राइट डायरेक्शन ना मिले प्रॉब्लम को, तो अल्टीमेटली आप सही कंक्लूजन नहीं निकाल सकते रोड कॉज के बिना.
एग्जैक्टली
और सही एक्शन नहीं इनिशिएट हो सकता.
एग्जैक्टली. सो थिंग वाज दैट कि जब इनिशियली, जो मैंने आपको फर्स्ट टाइम बोला कि कस्टमर से जस्ट हमने पहले डिस्कस किया कि व्हाट ही इज फेसिंग, बिकॉज नॉर्मली जो भी प्रोडक्ट इवन,
वो मैं समझ गया, पर किस तरह के टूल्स और टेक्निक यूज किए गए इस प्रॉब्लम को
मैं उसी
सॉल्व
पॉइंट
करने
पे
में?
मैं उसी पॉइंट पे आ रहा हूँ आपके. सो जब आपने उस कस्टमर से डिस्कशन किया, तब आपको इनिशियल स्टेज पे ये पता चल गया था वहां हो क्या रहा है. बिकॉज जो भी प्रोडक्ट आज के टाइम में आते हैं, दे ऑल आर टेस्टेड. ओके. सो
Yes.
इनिशियल इंफॉर्मेशन मुझे कस्टमर से ये मिला कि जब आया तब नहीं था, जब कमीशनिंग हुआ उस टाइम ठीक था, उसके बाद मुझे प्रॉब्लम आया नेक्स्ट डे से. सो फर्स्ट इंफॉर्मेशन मुझे वहां मिल चुकी थी कि कस्टमर का इंस्टॉलेशन के दिन या कुछ इशू नहीं था, बस आफ्टर 1 day और 2 day ही स्टार्टेड फेसिंग द इशू. सो वहां से एक चीज क्लियर हो गई कि टेस्टेड था प्रोडक्ट, तो वहां पे आपको एश्योरिटी आ गई. सेकंड, जब हम लोगों ने उसके पैनल की तरफ गए, तब वहां पर हम लोगों को कुछ कनेक्शंस ओपन मिले थे और कुछ कनेक्शंस गलत कनेक्ट किए हुए थे, जो कि सिंपल बेसिक जो वायरिंग डायग्राम होता है, ठीक है, सर्किट डायग्राम जिसको बोलते हैं, लाइन डायग्राम बोलते हैं, वायरिंग डायग्राम्स होते हैं, पैनल डायग्राम्स आते हैं हमारे पास. ओके. सो जस्ट पहले क्या एरर आ रहा था कंट्रोलर में, उसके थ्रू हम लोगों ने उसके वायरिंग डायग्राम को फाइंड आउट किया. सिंपल हमने स्टार्ट किया बेसिक से, बिल्कुल बेसिक स्टेप्स हमने चेक किए. जो सबसे पहला होता है कि आप पहले चेक करिए एक्चुअली फॉल्ट क्या आ रहा है। आज के कंट्रोलर्स जितने भी होते हैं, कंट्रोलर्स ले लीजिए, आपके पास कार्स होगी, आजकल कार्स में भी आप लोग देखेंगे डैशबोर्ड पे सिंबल्स आते हैं। कुछ भी अगर सिस्टम में एरर है तो वो एक सिंबल के थ्रू आपको शो करता है कि मेरे सिस्टम में ये एरर आ रहा है। सो उसके थ्रू आप जस्ट गो विद दैट प्रोसेस कि हाँ मुझे यहाँ पर ये इशू है, या फिर ये मुझे पर्टिकुलर फॉल्ट कोड या फॉल्ट का अलार्म दिख रहा है। सो हमने उसके थ्रू उसको प्रोसेस किया, स्टेप बाय स्टेप हमने उसको चेक किया। सो वी फाउंड दैट कि वहां पे वायरिंग का इशू निकला अल्टीमेटली, और विद द हेल्प ऑफ वायरिंग डायग्राम हम लोगों ने उसको फिर क्लोज किया करेक्ट करके।
क्योंकि हम लोग अभी सुधीर इक्विपमेंट्स का ही डीजी यूज कर रहे हैं,
जी
तो यूजुअली ऐसे फिनोमेना आकर होते रहते हैं, ठीक है।
हाँ,
और
एग्री एग्री। उसमें मतलब कैसे, मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल सकता कि हमेशा कस्टमर एंड से ही वो गलती होगी। ये जस्ट एक एग्जांपल मैंने शेयर किया था क्योंकि वो मैंने पर्सनली फेस किया हुआ है, क्योंकि मैं खुद साइट विजिट करा है, मैंने खुद ने उसको सॉल्व किया है। सो वो मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस मैंने शेयर किया है। बहुत सी बार क्या होता है, जो इंस्टॉलेशन या कमीशनिंग की टीम होती है, बहुत सी कंपनीज में ऐसा होता है कि वो थर्ड पार्टी को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट देते हैं कमीशनिंग करने के लिए, इंस्टॉलेशन करने के लिए। तो कभी कभी उनके एंड से भी इस टाइप के इश्यूज आते हैं। या फिर अगर मैं आपको बोलूं तो बहुत सी कंपनीज यूज करती है सिंक्रोनाइजेशन पैनल्स। ओके, सो जब वो लोग सिंक्रोनाइजेशन पैनल्स के लिए कनेक्शंस लेते हैं या वो लोग कुछ भी कनेक्ट करते हैं, उस टाइम पे भी अगर आपका वायरिंग गलत हो गया तब भी ये इश्यूज आ सकते हैं। सो दैट्स व्हाई आई टोल्ड कि हमको अगर फर्स्ट हमने कस्टमर को समझा कि वो क्या बोलना चाह रहा है, वो क्या फेस कर रहा है, तो आप वहां से कुछ हद तक आप कंक्लूड कर सकते हो कि एक्चुअल प्रॉब्लम किस एंड पे मिलेगा आपको।
थैंक्स।
ओके
Thank you, sir, for this wonderful explanation. And anyone else who wants to ask any question? Yeah, you can unmute and you can ask the question. Yes.
Hi, Mr. Doshi.
या हाय।
Myself, Ganesh. It's wonderful to have you here for discussion, and your experience and knowledge is really thrilling. And you have been working in a very, renowned organizations like Cummins, TMTL. So I just would
गणेश
like
जी,
to know.
सॉरी
Yes.
आपको इंटरप्ट करो, आप ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं?
No, no, my cooler is on. Just I will switch off. Just
हाँ ओके ओके, नो इशू नो इशू। हाँ एक्चुअली
okay.
पीछे से
So,
वो विंड का वो ज्यादा वो आ रहा है।
yes, yes.
जी
Sorry.
प्लीज
So
प्लीज।
you have been working with so many renowned organizations, and I'm happy to hear that you were a part of Cummins also, TMTL also.
थैंक यू।
So just I want to understand. What are the tools? Maybe software tools, Microsoft tools they are using for analyzing the customer complaints, the resolution of the complaints, how they handle in the form of a software. Any Excel sheets or any Microsoft project
ओके
softwares.
ओके, गॉट योर पॉइंट गणेश जी।
You got my question, no?
Yes, exactly. I got your point. The thing is that, like in every companies, they are having hierarchy. Like they have a zonal office. After that, they have a regional office, and after that, they have a area offices. Okay.
Okay.
So the area office, what is the doing at the area office? Just like me, as a area service manager, what I am doing is I am taking the dump of daily complaints. Okay,
Okay.
in the form of Excel sheet, I will get it. We have our own system. Okay, this is called CRM. Okay,
Okay.
CRM is
Yes.
our own system.
Can you please unmute? We are getting some disturbance here. Ganesh.
Okay, thank you, thank you. So, like every company has their own database systems, just like TMTL having the CRM. If I am talking about my previous firm about Cummins, they have a CDOS. Okay, now they are working on the workspace. Workspace is their new working platform. So on that you are logging any, if customer is logging for any complaint or for any service, complaint is logged on that portal initially with the all customer details. So we have initially customer base in our CRM system. On that CRM we are logged the complaint, and according to log we can get the complete history in the Excel file as a dump. So on day-to-day basis, what service manager is doing, or what as an area manager I am doing, I am taking the day-to-day basis complaint data and analyze it on daily basis, that what type of complaints in the field my team is facing. So first I will use that Excel sheet. After analyzing it, I will collect the data. What is the maximum complaint, or which part is maximum is getting failed in the field. So I will get that data, and then I will share that data with my RO and ZO. And accordingly, they will take up it to the R&D and product department team. They will working on it to how to improve that product. So this is the basic process every field they are following. Mr. Ganesh?
Hello,
Hello?
Mr. Ganesh, are you there?
I think he is unable to. Okay, just
Yes, yes. I got my answer. Thank you very much, Mr. Doshi. Thank you.
okay. Thank you.
Okay, so any more questions from students
Yeah, there are a lot of questions in the chat
in the
box.
chat box? Yes.
Yes. Okay, just we'll take Shrishti Srivastav. If the customer knows that is. Yeah, please.
मैम थोड़ी ज्योति बात कर रही हूँ
हाँ, hello Jyoti.
हाँ मैम आई एम ट्रैवलिंग नाउ बट दिस सेशन आई एम नॉट अटेंडेड सो आई विल
Okay.
ज्योति जी, आपकी वॉइस कुछ समझ
Yeah.
में नहीं.
हाँ सर मैं ट्रैवलिंग में नहीं हूँ मैंने सेशन नहीं अटेंड किया है इसलिए
हाँ.
मुझे रिकॉर्डेड कहाँ मिलेगा
Jyoti, we can answer your query later. You can just stay online, and you can, if you have not attended, you will be able to see. You will be able to see all of other sessions on YouTube. So yeah, you can just stay in the session and hear what we are discussing here. Okay. Yes.
So we are
Anyone
taking
else
the.
who wants to ask a question?
Yeah, hi.
Yes, please.
Yeah, hi, Rohit ji. It's pleasure talking to you. I will just quickly introduce myself. I am Smith, working in IT industry. I am currently working in Infosys. I have total 11 years of experience. So,
Nice.
I was just listening to all your suggestions and advices. So I thought of asking, being from an IT background, right? And
Yeah.
what are like scope? Suppose if I want to switch from an IT background to field like where you are working, right? In the field of, let's say, electricals or something like that, right? Say service industry.
Yeah.
So what are the chances and what skills I need to work upon? And also, second question is related to artificial intelligence. Like how I would like to understand how AI is having an impact on the industries, especially where you are working.
Okay. First of all, regarding your skills, so the thing is that you have to entire change your education background actually. First
I'm
of all.
from. I have done my engineering in electrical and electronics. So I have.
Then it's very much fine for you. Okay, but initially, it's just like you have a 11 years experience in the now in IT. Okay, so if you are getting yourself transformed from IT to core field, okay, like
Yeah.
from electronics to electricals, then there might be you have to be start from the zero only.
Okay.
Okay, because nowadays, like if I'm talking about the electrical, okay, so if we just tactically, if we are talking at ground, you don't have any experience in that way.
Yeah.
Okay,
Correct.
correct. So it will be, if whenever you are joining any company or anywhere, it will be count you as a zero. So
Yes.
your total experience will be just get waste, which you have
Okay.
gathered in the IT field. Okay, first. Second, service field is not always a 5-day job. Okay, it's a 24/7 day job. So might be there was one concern might be you are facing, because in the maximum IT field you are getting a 5-day working, correct?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, but service is not like that. It's a 24/7 job. If you get a call from customer at night 2 o'clock, might be possible you have to move. Might be, not exactly, but might be.
Sometimes.
Sometimes it may possible you have to move. being a managerial level, you have to get the customer in confidence. So this is your prime job at anywhere. Okay. So
Okay.
you have to do as per the customer complaint. This is the second. And third one, when you start your career with the zero, okay, so it will definitely impact on your, I can say, at the manager, at the, what the word, just your money related things, it will definitely impact. Okay. So because if you are starting from zero, so they will give you a package like that only.
Yeah.
You,
Is Raj?
yeah, please. Just Subraj, just give me 2 minutes so we can complete with Sumit, then we'll come to you. Is it okay? So Sumitji, you can transform. Okay, that's not an issue. But these are the hurdles you will face definitely in that way.
Yeah, and handling Indian clients is, again from the scratch, it will be a challenge, right? Because
It's
if you compare,
definitely a challenge
if you
because
uh,
Indian clients are, I can say they are too much demanding. Literally,
correct.
they are too much demanding. If he is paying you something or he is brought you something from you, they think like they brought you. It's simply
Correct.
concept is like that. So to deal with, it's a really a like horrible thing sometimes.
Yeah.
So you can go ahead, but in my view, if you are continuing in the same field, it will be more beneficial for you.
Yeah.
Like it's just like opinion. Okay, final decision will be yours, but in my opinion,
So I
if
am
you
settled in Bangalore only. So I just thought maybe in future if I am trying, because I am from North India. So in future
okay,
if I am trying to move to my near to my native place,
correct.
maybe in UP or in Delhi side or Gujarat side,
Yeah.
then that case I'm just thinking.
If you want to move to Delhi, then you have a Noida. Why you have to go to somewhere else? Yeah.
Noida, yeah, correct.
Yeah. So you can just simply switch to there
Yeah.
because it will definitely impact on the money field, money aspect also. And it will be like
The
I can
chances
say,
of getting hike is less, right? Because I don't have any experience in
yes,
that.
exactly. You will get like just example, if you are having a currently package of 12 lakh, so might be you will just come to around 3 or 4 lakh or 5 lakhs.
बात चल रही है कैमरे पे
Okay,
Haji?
okay. And other thing is about automation.
Yeah.
Any automation or artificial intelligence, machine learning is nowadays in core field. Any
Yes. So, if I am talking about the automation job, so basically automation is done by the controllers. Okay. So all our controllers are microprocessor based. Okay, just like our mobile phones. Okay. But the thing is that the use of mobile and use of controller is totally different. Okay. So nowadays AI is not doing that much impact on the core field. Okay, if I am talking about this generator or something like these fields. Okay, so AI will be helpful just in getting the data. It is like I am sitting somewhere else. Okay, and my equipment was somewhere else. So with the help of automation, with the help of PLC, SCADA, and like sometimes some kind of AI tools, I can get it data at my place. So only this type of support is taken from the IT, like IT, or we can say from AI. Other than that, there is nothing from the AI side till now. Okay, it's just till now. In future, we can't say anything. Hello,
Yeah. Hello.
Mr.
Yes.
Sumit, is it okay?
Hello, sir. Is your query
Okay.
answered now?
Yes. Yes. Okay. 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 He just posted in the chat
Achha,
box.
okay.
Yeah. Thanks a lot, Rohit ji. Yes,
Okay.
that
Okay.
helps.
Yeah.
That helps a lot.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Ji Subbu ji.
Good afternoon.
Yeah. Good afternoon.
In the
Subbu ji, your voice is too much breaking.
learning,
Hello, Subbu. Subbu Raj ji, your voice is breaking.
Hello.
Is it I am facing only or
No, his voice is.
okay?
Okay, so anyone else who wants to ask?
या
Yes, sir.
बोलिए साहू जी।
सर एक्चुअली मैं प्रोडक्शन डिपार्टमेंट में काम करता हूँ। एक्चुअली 9 साल हो गया मुझे।
जी
मैं एक्चुअली सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट में कोर्स कर रहा हूँ अभी। तो मुझे
ओके
पीपीसी में जाना है, मेरा टारगेट है पीपीसी में जाने के लिए। तो
ओके
मैं जो सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट कोर्स लिया है, एक्चुअली
जी।
सही लिया है कि ऑपरेशन में जाना चाहिए मुझे?
देखिए पीक्यूसी इज टोटली डिफरेंट, सप्लाई चेन इज डिफरेंट एंड ऑपरेशंस आर डिफरेंट।
पीपीसी प्रोडक्शन प्लान
ओके
एंड कंट्रोल।
पीपीसी सॉरी एक्चुअली मुझे पीक्यूसी सुनाई दिया, सॉरी फॉर दैट। ओके सो लाइक सप्लाई चेन इन पीपीसी विल बी सम काइंड ऑफ एक कॉइन के दो फेस हैं वो। ओके सो इट विल बी ओके फॉर यू। आप अगर सप्लाई चेन को ही कंटिन्यू करते हैं तो उसमें बहुत सारे कॉन्सेप्ट ऐसे हैं जो आपको पीपीसी में काम आ जाएंगे। सो देयर इज
Okay.
नो नीड टू चेंज योर एंटायर कोर्स।
एक्चुअली 9 साल से मैं काम कर रहा हूँ मतलब प्रोडक्शन में, जिसमें प्रोग्रामिंग वगैरह है, जिसमें शिफ्ट इंचार्जिंग में हूँ, जिसमें
ओके
प्रोग्राम
ओके
वगैरह होता है। तो इसमें मुझे कुछ इंटरेस्ट वगैरह नहीं आ रहा है, तो मैं एक्चुअली
ओके
स्विच करना चाहता हूँ। तो मैं करियर गाइड के लिए आपको कौन सा
देन
सजेस्ट
अब
करना चाहता
अगर आपको चाहिए ही एक्चुअली आपको उसमें ही जाना है, देन इनिशियली आपको मेरा इतना ही सजेशन है कि इनिशियली आप जिस भी कंपनी में हैं अभी, ठीक है, ट्राई करिए इंटरनल अगर आपको कोई ट्रांसफर मिल सकता है तो, ठीक है। इनिशियली आप इंटरनल उस डिपार्टमेंट में पहले ट्रांसफर लीजिए प्रोडक्ट प्लानिंग में, ओके। वहां कुछ टाइम करके देन अगर आप उसको मूव आउट करेंगे कभी भी, देन इट विल बी मोर बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू। बिकॉज
ओके
आप
ओके
सेम फील्ड में करके आप सप्लाई चेन में आप कोर्स कंप्लीट करके अगर आप पीपीसी को डायरेक्ट ज्वाइन करने जाएंगे विदाउट एनी एक्सपीरियंस, तो आपको उसका कुछ बेनिफिट नहीं मिलने वाला है।
ओके ओके ओके
तो इनिशियली अगर आप मतलब इनिशियली पहले आप इंटरनल अपना कंपनी में ट्राई करिए। अगर वहाँ इंटरनल मतलब लाइक इंटरनल इंटर डिपार्टमेंट्स में जो ट्रांसफर्स होते हैं अगर वो होते हैं, तो पहले थोड़ा सा वहां पे वर्किंग कर लीजिए और देन फिर आप अगर कहीं भी दूसरी जगह जाके ज्वाइन करेंगे तो वो आपको ज्यादा इम्पैक्ट रहेगा विद दिस डिग्री।
ओके ओके ओके।
या
तो एक्चुअली मेरा कंपनी में वैकेंसी भी अभी निकला है, तो मैं उसके लिए अप्लाई करने वाला हूँ।
एग्जैक्टली
अगर
तो
इंटरनल हो जाता है तो वो जो 9 साल का प्रोडक्शन का
एग्जैक्टली
ये
वो
है,
आपको
वो 9 साल
एडिशनल
का दिखा
बेनिफिट
सकता हूँ।
देगा। वो आपको
हाँ वो
आप वो देखिए वो
हाँ
तो ऑटोमेटिक एचआर को पता है कि आप हैं वहां पे, ठीक है। वहां से आपने क्या की लर्निंग लिया है ना, वो जस्ट आप उनको शो करके अगर ट्रांसफर मिलता है आपको, तो वहां पे आप उस चीज को वहां इंप्लीमेंट करिए जो आपने यहाँ से सीखा है। तो आप बहुत जल्दी चीजों को समझ पाएंगे और माइट भी हो सकता है आपको इंटरनल आपकी कंपनी में ही वो लोग प्रमोट कर दें, बिकॉज ये चांसेस सबसे ज्यादा होते हैं।
बढ़िया।
जी
थैंक यू।
ओके
Okay, so there are some questions in the chat box also. We
Yeah,
can,
so we
yeah.
can move to that. सृष्टि ने क्वेश्चन पूछा था with your given solution and he want you to return his whole amount, then what you have to do to handle the customer where you can't return amount in cash according to company's terms and policy. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सृष्टि देखिए कैसा होता है ना, जब भी आप किसी बड़े प्रोडक्ट पे डील करने जाते हैं, ठीक है, सो इनिशियली कस्टमर तब तक इस मोड में नहीं जाएगा जब तक कि वो उतना ज्यादा फ्रस्ट्रेटेड ना हो चुका हो। ओके फर्स्ट थिंग तो ये होती है। और किसी भी कंपनी में, ठीक है, अगर हम छोटे छोटे प्रोडक्ट्स की बात करें तो दैट वाज अनदर मैटर। ओके बट इन केस अगर मैं किसी छोटे प्रोडक्ट की भी बात करता हूं तो इनिशियली आप एक या दो बार पहले उसकी कंपनी के कस्टमर केयर को या जहां से आपने परचेस किया उसको अप्रोच करते हैं। अगर आपको वहां से कोई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं मिलता है, देन यू कैन गो मूव फॉरवर्ड कि मुझे नहीं चाहिए, आप आपका प्रोडक्ट वापस लो, मुझे पैसा वापस दो। देन उसके बाद ये सारी चीजें आती हैं। इनिशियली ये चीज तब तक नहीं आती जब तक कि वो कस्टमर को कोई रिस्पॉन्स ही ना मिले। ओके इन दैट केस ओके इन दैट केस अगर आपको पहले तो ये समझना पड़ेगा कि देखिए आपने जो लिखा कि कस्टमर मेरे सॉल्यूशन से सेटिस्फाई नहीं है, ठीक है, सो मेरे सॉल्यूशन से उसका सेटिस्फाई ना होने के रीजंस क्या हो सकते हैं। एक, या तो जो मैंने उसको सॉल्यूशन दिया है उसके बावजूद भी वो प्रोडक्ट यूज नहीं कर पा रहा है, एक वो सॉल्यूशन हो सकता है, एक वो रीजन हो सकता है। सेकंड, या तो उसने कुछ और इशू फेस किया जिसको मैं कैटर नहीं कर पाया, एक सेकंड रीजन वो हो सकता है। ओके लेकिन अगर आपने इनिशियली ही उसके दोनों रीजंस अगर रिजोल्व कर दिए हैं, ठीक है, देन आई डोंट थिंक सो कोई भी कस्टमर इस मोड में जाता है। और आज के टाइम में जितना अभी तक मैंने देखा है मेरे पूरे करियर में, मैंने अभी तक सिर्फ 2 बार इस टाइप की क्वेरीज मुझे मिली है कि हमको ये प्रोडक्ट नहीं चाहिए, आप वापस लेके जाओ। वो भी जस्ट बिकॉज कुछ मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग और कुछ मैनिपुलेशन हुए थे कस्टमर के साथ में, उसके कारण। होप आई आंसर्ड योर क्वेश्चन।
I hope, Srishti, I hope that your question is answered, and if you can reply on the chat, it will be great. Or we will move on to the next question. Yes, thank you,
Yes.
Srishti.
Okay, thank you, Shri. Okay, the next question is from गणेश। ओके, गणेश जी से तो हम लोग ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं। ओके, शिवाजी। ओके, संकेत, हाउ टू मैनेज द कस्टमर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स। ओके, सो इनिशियली कस्टमर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट आपका कब आएगा, पहले तो आपको वो चेक करना है कि कस्टमर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट किस बेस पे क्रिएट हुआ है। आइदर इज बिकॉज ऑफ सेल्स साइड, आइदर इज बिकॉज ऑफ सर्विस साइड, और समथिंग एल्स। ओके, कि कोई थर्ड पार्टी उसमें इन्वॉल्व हो रहा है, या कोई कस्टमर के एंड से किसी ने कुछ उसको उस टाइप से इनपुट दिया है। क्योंकि इनिशियल लेवल पे जब डील चलती है, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स तभी क्रिएट होते हैं। एक बार अगर आपका डील क्लोजिंग पे पहुंच गया या क्लोज हो गया, तब कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स नहीं आते हैं जनरली। तो इनिशियल आपको पहले ये देखना है कस्टमर का कॉन्फ्लिक्ट किस बेस पे आ रहा है। सर्विस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू वो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट में जा रहा है, सेल्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू कॉन्फ्लिक्ट में जा रहा है, या थर्ड पर्सन के चलते कॉन्फ्लिक्ट आ रहा है। ठीक है, अगर सेल्स के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है, तो वो आपको ये कैटर करना पड़ेगा कि वो किस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू और वो किस प्रोडक्ट के साथ में आपके प्रोडक्ट को कंपेयर कर रहा है इनिशियली। इनिशियली वो किसके साथ में आपके प्रोडक्ट को कंपेयर कर रहा है, क्योंकि अगर आप एप्पल टू एप्पल कंपेयर करेंगे, ओके, तो आपको एक्चुअल पता चलेगा। अगर आप एप्पल टू ऑरेंज कंपेयर करेंगे, तो आप कभी भी किसी भी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट में जाइए, आप कभी सॉल्यूशन नहीं निकाल सकते हैं। सो इनिशियली आपको ये समझना है कि आप किसके साथ में कंपैरिजन कर रहे हैं। सेकंड, अगर सर्विस रिलेटेड कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है, सो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम सर्विस रिलेटेड कॉन्फ्लिक्ट क्यों रेज होते हैं, क्योंकि कस्टमर कभी कभी गलत जगह चेस करता है, उसको सॉल्यूशन चाहिए, लेकिन उसके पास प्रॉपर हिरार्की नहीं होती कि उसको किसके साथ जाके कनेक्ट करना है। सो मेजरली अगर आप देखोगे तो जो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स क्रिएट होते हैं सर्विस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, उसका सबसे बड़ा रीजन यही है कि कस्टमर को हिरार्की नहीं पता होता है। सो इट्स अल्टीमेटली योर ग्राउंड टीम रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कि वो कस्टमर को समझाए, जब वो किसी भी नए प्रोडक्ट को कमीशनिंग करने जा रहे हैं या कुछ भी करने जा रहे हैं। इसका सिंपल सा एग्जांपल है, हम मोबाइल खरीदते हैं, ठीक है। सो नॉर्मली अधिकतर आप शॉप्स पे देखेंगे, किसी शोरूम से लेंगे तो वो क्या बोलता है, अगर आपको कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम आ रही है तो आपको इसके सर्विस सेंटर जाना है। वो इनिशियली आपको ये चीज बता देता है। तो वहां पर उसने उसका काम वहीं पे खत्म कर दिया कि जब सर्विस रिलेटेड कुछ भी इशू आएगा, तो आपको जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी कि आप उसके पास जाके बात करो, आप सीधा सर्विस सेंटर जाओगे। सो उसने इनिशियल लेवल पे उसका काम कंप्लीट किया। सेम चीज हमारी टीम को भी करना होगा। अगर दे आर इन द सर्विस फील्ड और ग्राउंड टीम कोई भी कस्टमर से कनेक्ट हो रही है, सो शेयर इन द करेक्ट डिटेल्स कि अगर वो कुछ भी इशू फेस करता है तो वेयर ही हैज टू कनेक्ट। सो with the help of these basic things you can avoid conflicts easily. Hope I give an answer of your questions.
Hello, Sanket. If you are there, you can reply in the chat box. Okay. Okay, no, we can move on to the next question. So we
Okay.
have one question from Vijay JL.
GS. Okay. Root cause analysis should have been helped you. Okay. The root cause analysis is the key for any solution if you want. Okay. If you are talking about the server, so sorry to say, but actually servers पे मैंने काम नहीं किया है ज्यादा, क्योंकि वो मेरा एक्सपर्टीज नहीं है। मेनली सर्वर्स जो हैंडल करते हैं वो नेटवर्क और हार्डवेयर जो टीम होती है या आईटी की जो टीम होती है, वो लोग मैक्सिमम सर्वर्स को हैंडल करते हैं। ओके, सो हम लोग जो यूज करते हैं एंटायरली, हमारे अगर सर्वर्स भी यूज होते हैं तो उसके लिए जो आपका स्काडा या पीएलसी का जो टीम होता है, ठीक है, वो लोग उस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू देखते हैं। हम लोग सिर्फ इतना करते हैं कि उनको हम लोगों से जो इनपुट्स चाहिए, हम लोग उनको सिर्फ उतना इनपुट अवेलेबल करके दे सकते हैं। आगे जो भी उनको सेटअप करना है सर्वर्स में या पीएलसी बेस पे करना है, या खुद का कोई सॉफ्टवेयर है कंपनी का अपना उस पे करना है, सो दे कैन डू इट ऑन देयर ओन। एंड ये आपके सेकंड क्वेश्चन का आंसर। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन की मैं बात करूं, सो रूट कॉज एनालिसिस आपको एट एवरीवेयर, आप किसी भी फील्ड में जाइए, रूट कॉज एनालिसिस ऑलवेज हेल्प यू टू गेट द एग्जैक्ट रिजोल्यूशन ऑफ एनी कंप्लेंट। ठीक है, whether it's a server, whether it's a mechanical, whether it's a electrical side or electronic side. ओके, सो मैंने इसीलिए आपको स्टार्टिंग में बोला था, अगर आपने हिस्ट्री रीड आउट किया है, ओके, तो हिस्ट्री रीड आउट मतलब अल्टीमेटली आप उसको पहले देख रहे हैं कि इस टाइप का कोई इशू आपने फेस किया है क्या, अगर फेस किया है तो उसको कैसे आपने रिजॉल्व किया है, वो उसका आपको वहां पे उसका ट्रबल शूटिंग ट्री मिल जाता है, विच इज अल्टीमेटली आपका रूट कॉज एनालिसिस ही रहता है, वो उसका आरसीए ही रहता है, ट्रबल शूटिंग थ्री। सो अगर आप हिस्ट्री के थ्रू जाएंगे तो आपको मैक्सिमम आपके नॉर्मली इश्यूज रिजॉल्व हो जाते हैं, बहुत कम ऐसा होता है कि आपको उसको अप टू द एक्सटेंडेड लेवल पे या नेक्स्ट लेवल पे या माइट बी प्लांट या प्रोडक्शन या जो अपनी पीडीडी टीम होती है, प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट टीम, आपको वहां जाना पड़े। मिस्टर विजय, होप आई गिव आंसर ऑफ योर क्वेश्चन।
Okay, so I think yes, he has said thank you. So we
Okay.
can move on to the next one.
Yeah, it is of Mr.
We can take the question of Tashika.
Just-
How to increase visibility and how to introduce yourself as a new company to begin with.
Just give me okay, Tashika, how to increase visibility and how to introduce yourself as a new तशिका, इनिशियली आपकी विजिबिलिटी बढ़ाने के लिए आपको बेसिक चीज यही करना है कि जो आपको गिवन टास्क है, ठीक है, फर्स्ट तो आपका आप ये अंडरस्टैंड करिए कि आपका मैनेजर आपसे क्या चाहता है। ओके, सो अगर आपको वो क्लैरिटी है कि आपके मैनेजर को आपसे क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है, आप अगर उनको फुलफिल करते हो विद इन अ स्टिपुलेटेड टाइम पीरियड, सो आपको एडिशनल कुछ भी करने की जरूरत नहीं है।
Okay,
It
so
will direct.
sorry to cut you off. So basically, why my question is arriving is, I want to actually start my own studio. So I'm just trying to understand how do I firstly introduce myself as a new company and how do I bring in trust from the clients or
Okay, it's
customer.
Tashika, correct?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So the thing is that Tashika, if you want to start a new business or company or anything you want to start, okay, initially I would suggest just go through one's market and get what is actually market is required. If you do such analysis, then after that if you can approach to anyone with that your portfolio कि हाँ मेरे पास अकॉर्डिंग टू मार्केट मेरे पास ये पोर्टफोलियो मेरा ऑलरेडी क्रिएटेड है, और इसके साथ में मैं जाके अगर किसी को भी कनेक्ट करूंगी तो इट विल बी इजीली विजिबल टू एनीवन। लेकिन आपके पास जो मार्केट की रिक्वायरमेंट है, आपके पास आपका वो पोर्टफोलियो ही नहीं है, उसके बावजूद अगर आप उसको क्रैक करने की कोशिश करोगे देन इट विल बी टू मच हर्डल्स फॉर यू। बेसिकली आप कुछ भी स्टार्ट करें बट इनिशियली समझें कि आपको एक्चुअली मतलब मार्केट नीड क्या है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप अगर अप्रोच करते हैं देन डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट योर रिजोल्यूशन एंड डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट द सक्सेस आल्सो। Shall we go ahead?
Yes, sir. So I hope that most of your queries are resolved now. So, sir, I would like to know that how do you build a rapport with as
Priya, just give me a moment, just a moment, please.
so students, if you have any questions, no, you can put it here in the chat and we will be taking it up as soon as he is back.
Yeah, hi. Sorry for the interruption. Yeah, Priya, sorry for the interruption. You are
Yeah.
mute. Yeah, please tell me.
Yes, sir. So we can move ahead.
Yeah.
If anybody, I think most of the queries are answered here. So I would like to know, sir, how do you build a rapport with a customer? Like when he is angry or you are in contact with them. So how do you retain your customers and how do you build a rapport with them?
Initially, in the service field, the basic requirement to retain your customer is how you are providing your services to the customer. or I can correct it how timely you are providing your services to the customer. Because जब customer को need है, अगर आप तभी उसको service नहीं दे सकते, then you can't build any rapport with it. So in the service field, on time response is most important key. Second, your commitment. If you are committing anything to customer, then fulfill it on time. If is there any hurdle, might be something is there due to some market issues or whatever XYZ, some material issues, then inform priorly to customer that, sir, we are facing such issues, so we are unable to deliver on that day. We'll deliver after some time or so on, so date and all this, and timely update him. Before he is reached to you, you just reach to customer. Sir, this is the next update. So majorly first thing is on time response. Second is commitment. Third, you has to be fair with the customer. If you are not fair with your customer, then you will definitely lose him. Here fair, it means if you are charging him anything, or you are taking any benefits, or you are taking his product on you, so you have to build your like rapport, or customer has that much confidence on you that yes, अगर मैंने उनको बोला है तो definitely मेरा काम होगा. In case कुछ भी change हो रहा है, so मुझे information आएगी. So अगर आपने ये चीजें maintain करके रखी है market में, then you will definitely retain your customer, and definitely your customer always your promoter. It will not be your demoter.
So you mean that the company should be completely transparent with them, so that
We
they
have
get,
to be.
they get the time to time information. Isn't it?
Yeah,
Okay.
just give me a moment. There are a lot of things.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
will be a bad decision to switch over to the demo from the marketing. Okay. Okay. Can I get recorded lecture? Might be admin team will give you
Yes,
response
sir.
on that.
We can skip those questions for now.
MBA के साथ साथ डेटा एनालिस्ट का कोर्स कर रहा हूँ, क्या उसमें करियर है? डेटा एनालिटिक्स में आपका करियर तो है, बट साइड बाय साइड डेटा एनालिटिक्स का अगर आप देखेंगे तो वहां पर कंपटीशन भी उतना ही है. सो अगर आप प्रॉपर उसको फोकस करके कंटिन्यू करेंगे, सो इट विल बी अ बेनिफिट फॉर यू. एल्स फिर वो जस्ट एक बोलने के लिए कि मैंने वो कोर्स किया, इट इज जस्ट लाइक दैट, वो ऐसा ही रह जाएगा. क्योंकि आज के टाइम में अगर आप देखोगे तो एनालिटिक्स की बहुत जॉब्स होती हैं, बहुत मतलब लिटरली बहुत. मतलब ओवरऑल जो मैंने सिनारियो देखा है कंपनीज में आजकल उल्टा होता है, उनको एनालिटिक्स चाहिए, एनालिसिस करने वाले, लेकिन उतने प्रॉपर बंदे मिलते नहीं है. सो अगर आप चीजों को प्रॉपर वे में मेंटेन करके चलोगे, देन डेफिनेटली इट्स अ ह्यूज करियर इन डेटा एनालिटिक्स आल्सो. I am working in a executive logistic post abroad for 2 years. If I move to Mumbai or India, will I get a good package? Shubham ji, it's totally depend on which group you have to be joined and what type of experience you have, and is that experience is related to that firm. If this is fulfilled, then you will definitely get a good handsome package. It's not an issue, because nowadays in India there is a huge packages are available to anyone.
I hope Shubham, your query has got answered here. So, yes, sir. So thank you for answering all these questions. Now we would like to head on to the next segment of this session, where we had discussed that you will be having a group discussion also in this session as a part of this session. So I would like you all to to be a part of this discussion. So far we have seen that what are the challenges are in this field, and how with the experience of Mr. Doshi we have learned how to overcome them. What are the situation there in this sector. So now it's time to utilize that information which we have learned here, and we will try to solve a situation based question here, okay, where this knowledge will help you to come up with a solution for that situation. So just let me give present the question to you all. I would request any of the student who can read the question out loud. It will be great if anybody will come up and read that question. Just give me a minute. I hope that you are able to see my screen here. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yes, so any of those students who would like to read it out loud for everybody? Hello?
You have been
Uh,
appointed as
just
an area service manager
अंबिका जी,
for a
just a
leading
moment.
Just a minute, sir. Yes,
uh,
do it, sir.
जो भी peers या जिनके भी क्वेश्चंस रह गए ना, हम लोग उसको एंड में क्लोज करते हैं.
Yes,
Okay,
we
we'll
will
give
be
answer to each and everyone. मुझसे रेट जितना है, I will give you the answers.
surely we will
Yeah.
have last 10 minutes for all of your queries, and whatever question you have, all the queries will get answered. And in case if any of it is remaining, we will be sharing the LinkedIn link for Mr. Doshi here, so you can connect with him on LinkedIn as well later if you want to know anything from him. Okay, so for now we will discuss this and we will focus here. We can get to the questions later. Okay, chalo. Now yes sir, please continue reading the question, Mr. Ambik. Mr. Sir.
Yes, madam.
Yes.
You have been appointed as an area service manager for a leading electrical engineering company. One of your key responsibilities is to oversee service operations across multiple regions and ensure timely resolutions of customer queries and technical issues. One of your team members reports a recurring problems with a particular product line, which has been causing frustration among customers. How would you approach this situation to address the issue effectively while maintaining customer satisfaction and team morale? Thank you.
So thank you so much, Mr. Sharma, for reading this question. And now I would like all the students to think on it a bit and come up with some steps. What should be your first act in this situation? How will you approach this situation from your understanding and whatever you have learned from this session? Okay, so anybody who is interested, if you want to discuss also, you can unmute and discuss as well. And you can raise your hand or as well virtually so that we will know who is speaking here. So what will you do when you will face such situation?
Hello.
Yes, Raghuranj.
Yeah. Good afternoon to everyone. Since the problem is recurring, and many customers are also facing the issue, and really it means that it's a problem is within our company, I mean within our product. So we have to analyze uh, what is the problem and what make best solution we can give to the customer.
Yes.
So first, if it is because many customers facing the same issue means the problem is with the product. So we have to at least in the some good companies. If I want to sustain a market for a long time, that means I have to recall all the product and I have to make it customer satisfied and give the new better product to the customer. Actually, even though it may cost a huge loss for company, but to sustain in the market to give the best. Product to the best product to the customers. So we have to do it this one. This is what as a team, as a manager, I have to do like this.
Okay. So anybody else who would like to add?
मैडम एक्चुअली ये लाइन जो बता रहा है कि सिचुएशन बिल्कुल कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो गया है, कस्टमर फ्रस्ट्रेटेड है, तो ऐसे सिचुएशन में नॉर्मल कह सकते हैं इस समय सबसे ज्यादा काम आएगा इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन. जितना बेहतर तरीके से प्रॉब्लम ये क्या उम्मीद रहती है कि अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम रिपोर्ट किया गया है तो उसे कम से कम जिसे बताया गया है वो इतने बारीकी से उसे समझ चुका हो, क्योंकि अगर प्रॉब्लम समझा नहीं गया है तो सॉल्यूशन आने की कोई संभावना नहीं है. तो एटलीस्ट कस्टमर को लेवल 1 में कन्विंस इतना करना है कि हम प्रॉब्लम तो समझ चुके हैं, ठीक है, और अल्टीमेटली हम इसमें क्या करने जा रहे हैं. अगर ये अप्रोच राइटली अगर ऑन टाइम हम बता पाए, दे पाए, कस्टमर में वो फ्रस्ट्रेशन वाला पॉइंट रिड्यूस होगा. इसके साथ ही 3 फेज में इसे क्लोज करती है. फर्स्ट तो हम कहते हैं करेक्शन करना है, सेकंड कहते हैं करेक्टिव एक्शन में जाएंगे, एंड फर्दर लास्ट जो होगा हम प्रिवेंटिव एक्शन में। इन तीनों स्टेप्स को जो भी टूल टेक्निक्स हैं क्वालिटी प्रॉब्लम एनालिसिस के, इन सब को यूज करके कस्टमर का वो जो ट्रस्ट, कहीं ना कहीं फ्रस्ट्रेशन का हुआ जब ट्रस्ट टूटा, उस ट्रस्ट को बिल्ड करने में ये अप्रोच काम आएंगे, और इसी अप्रोच से चल के हम प्रॉब्लम को, इसको कहते हैं ना, वो फर्दर सेटिस्फेक्शन लेवल जो है बिल्ड कर सकते हैं।
Okay. Good input, sir, from
Thank you.
your side. Yeah. So yes, both the
Hello?
speakers.
Hello.
Yes, you're audible.
Yeah. Actually, first of all, we have to see what's the problem is triggering in the product, and then we have to email this problem to our senior level executives to solve it on time and take effective steps to maintain maintain our goodwill of product with among customers to trust our product, and that our team also can work on that on time. And what are the solutions we have to coordinate with the team, what is the best solution for that to solve the product problem, and then we coordinate that solution to the senior level executives to take a step on that. That way we maintain the frustration which is among customers is growing, and we should clear the problem on time.
Okay, so we will be giving answer to this question. See, this is a discussion, so there is, I would say, Mr. Doshi would be the best one to give you input into it. But before we want that maximum students give their input. So at the end, we will be telling you what is the best way, what is the best outcome of all the discussion. Okay, so anybody else who is interested to put in their point? I would request maximum students, please don't hesitate to be a part of this discussion. Every point is valuable here. So whatever comes in your mind, it will help you to, to know whether the things which you are thinking is in the same line of action. Okay. So yeah, anything you want to share? Samita Prasad, I think you are unmute. You want to say something? Anybody else who wants to put in? Bala? Hello, yes, you're audible.
Yeah, so in this question, the first thing is that it's the issue is in multiple regions. So for that, as a area service manager, so we have to collect the data of each and every region, so what's the issue is going on. That's the first thing. And second thing, we have to understand what's the customer queries and already. And third thing, technical issue. We have to understand or communicate with our ground level people what's the technical issue going on there, and we have to rectify also. And fourth thing is that the customer is already frustrated, so we have to talk with customer that and convince them that we will make the rectification and we will make it all right. And it will be like in this solution we will get customer satisfaction also, and team morale also will be up because we are talking with our ground level people, so they will be like, yeah, manager with us only. So that's my point. So in short, we have to collect the data first, then we have to act on it. Yeah, thank you.
Great, Shipin. It was a nice input. So everybody is giving a great input like on what can be done in this situation. So anyone else who is interested to share? And I really want you all to be a part of this discussion. Firstly, okay, so Jyoti here has posted in the chat box that firstly, check which product line having this problem regularly, and then try to solve the issue with the help of team. Yes, so this could be the first step, and the remaining it can be aligned with it. So anybody else who would like to give your input? Okay, Ashish has, yeah,
This is Mahmood here, ma'am.
yes, hello ma'am.
In this situation, we need to identify what is the product line which is getting affected and what is the key area of that key issue with that customer. Is that customer is repeated getting same issue or a different kind of issue? And if he's not satisfied with the support and what is the issue of that product? So we need to identify at ground level what is exactly happening. So first, when our engineer reach, so we can ask him about the client, and we can have a database check. Okay, how many times the similar kind of issue he has reported, or how many times he has reported many issues, different issues. So we need to check if that we got n number of issues, definitely there is a product issue. So we can ask to replace or arrange some replacement or repair of that product immediate basis where that we can satisfy it to him. So in that in this case, service manager has to need on to the core core issue of the customer as well as the product, because even sometime happens the product is good, but the customer is not able to use it properly, or he has some different views about the product and expectation about that product. But so that is what he's complaining again and again. So we need to track what is exactly issue. Either it's a product issue or a customer usage issue. Then we can align accordingly an engineer or whatever to the customer, and we can answer the queries to the customer accordingly. So this is something my feedback from this situation.
Okay. So yeah, this is also good that we need to clearly know where the problem is first and then act on it. Yes, so here also in the chat box,
Yeah, there are some responses we have received in the chat box also.
Sandeep, you want to say something? So you can, yeah, you
Yes,
can
yes.
continue.
Yeah, ma'am. First of all, according to the information which we have given, one of our team member reports a recurring problem with a particular product. First of all, we have to praise the team member who have found the problem which is frustrating the customer. So he should be whatever he wants to speak, we have to understand the problem, which will help us to solve the customer problem.
Yep.
Okay, sir. So like you are saying that we need to first identify it well, like where the problem is. Okay. So yes, in the chat box, Sumit Srivastav has posted, since how long facing the issue, how many users got impacted, is the issue recurring or intermittent, is the issue happens during a particular time in a day, a call needs to be scheduled with technical team, service manager and affected user, etc. Set of questionnaires needed to be prepared. Okay, so this is your input. So we need to identify how many times and at what time it is occurring. Okay, great. So there are multiple inputs we have received from all of you. And if anybody else is interested to put in more, and how many of you agree, like you have heard so many solutions here at, from different point of view, like where you have to look into first. Anybody else who wants to add to it, or how many of you agree that the points which, our students have mentioned here are, are in line with the solution? So if you agree with what the students have presented, you all can just put a yes in the chat box that the solution are there. Solutions are there. Yes, almost agree. Very good. Yes, so we got to know different point of view on the same situation here, isn't it? So is there anybody who doesn't agree? Okay, those points, no, there is a need of, making any corrections here. So you can also be open here. You can tell your point also if you are even not agreeing with the solutions which are presented here. Most of you are agreeing here. That is really great. Okay, so Satyanarayan has posted that if problem recurring, customer needs some training and solve this issue on regarding this product. Even though problem will raise on warranty base, we will exchange product. Okay, so you are telling about the product if it is a defective piece, isn't it? Okay. Poonam is telling us, I feel customer is repeatedly tried to approach for better service, so we need to look the history vigilantly, also make effective communication. Maybe customer is expecting more than the required. Okay, so yeah, that could be also one situation. But here, that as we are getting so many different views, okay, so another input which we are getting is from Sachin Mane. And since the issue is particular line output, such a product
Traceable.
such a product traceable should separate with the distribution network first. Okay, so you need to trace the product. Okay, great. This is also a really in-depth, thought. Yeah. And again, Sisti has posted. Sisti, it will be great, if you can speak up, you can unmute yourself. Reading this much huge content, it's quite tiring. So it's better if you can unmute and you can, give your thoughts here.
Hello.
Yes, Sisti.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first of all, area manager always collect all the data every day, and he have to look over the data on where there are team member always recurring same problem with the same product. Then he have to contact with that team member. What is the problem with the product going on? Then trying to solve it through contact with the customer again to provide a solution like provide services on time. If their service is not possible with that issue, we have to resolve it like through other service. We can exchange it on that. And from that, the customer satisfaction always maintain with us.
Okay. So you are saying if the product is defective, then we need to look into the product.
Yes, ma'am. And we have the option of exchange too for that.
Exchanging. Okay.
Yeah.
So it's a
Thank
good
you.
input from your side, Shrishti. Thank you so much. We are getting some replies on chat. So I will request you all if you can, unmute and speak up because that will be really great. Priya Pawar has posted. So Priya, will you be able to, unmute? Anybody else? So Priya here is saying to understand the earlier company the customer was using for this particular product. It will help to compare and also to explain customer better about the product. Answering customer query is more like psychological touch than being too technical. Okay. So Priya, your point is really like from a very different point of view. It will be great if you can speak about it a bit. Not a problem.
Sumit, this side. So I would just explain from an IT perspective how things happen in IT company. So first, what happens, right? We analyze how many users are getting impacted, and what is the business impact. Okay, we analyze the business impact. Let's say I was working for a cars, German automotive client. They were manufacturing cars and trucks. Okay, so when production network issue, their production got were getting impacted, and it was impacting so hugely that within minutes, they were getting millions of losses. Okay, so that defines the business impact. What is the business impact? So based on that, we had a ticketing system like a P1, priority 1, priority 2, priority 3, or there is a called a major incident, which we call as MIM, right? So when the business impact is too huge, then the location service manager will call it a MIM, that a major incident is initiated, and that communication will go to the all the everyone, the verticals. So what will happen? There will be a call initiated. There will be a MIM call, major incident call. Will be all the respective parties, including the client, the service managers, the leads. Everyone will come on one call and discuss, so that it should not be like, okay, this guy is missing, and it will be like, okay, this is missing. So everyone should be on one call and try to identify the issue, and with the real time troubleshooting. Okay, maybe we can ask the user, okay, how he is accessing, and the technical team can check the logs from their end, right? If they are seeing the logs, okay, and in that way it will be more effective, and that will bring the frustration of customer down, because customer will be rest assured that, okay, now everyone is in the call, because customer doesn't want that, okay, we will do it later, or they want the solution at that moment only in the same call. So better to bring everyone in the call. That is my perspective from an IT industry.
Great, Sumit. Yeah,
Yeah, thank you.
thank you. Thank you for your input, Sumit. It was really elaborate, and you have involved everybody in the management also in the discussion. Like they should be involved on the same page. Yes. So here we have got one input from Rahul. Rahul, if you want to unmute and speak up. Okay. Rahul, are you there?
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, Rahul,
Yes,
please.
yes,
Yes, ma'am. I am a service manager. The customer is best of giving a best solution from and my side. Is a problem to facing about the product for customer. There's a new resolution. Is a new coming to new problems, taking us to other section to new. But then we provide the best solution for about product. If I suggestion this.
just a
Rahul, can you please pardon again what you
Can I
say
audible?
just? Yeah, you are audible now.
Okay, just I said as I am just putting this side from my side. If I am a sales area service manager, then I am first facing some customer issue like what is the main problem is facing the customer. So what's the solve is the level. The first level is what's the problem in product. Then we resolve their problem as far as possible. Now then give a best solution to their product about. This is my suggestion.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, so we will take one last input. It is from Suman. So Suman, if you are there, you can unmute. Suman, are you there?
Hi,
So,
Prashant is here.
hello, Prashant.
Yes. So in this situation, the task of area sales manager is maintain the customer satisfaction, and for it, he has to do proper analysis of the issue in the product line. As the issue is recurring, it means that the corrective action has not taken correctly, or it is not correctly implemented. So as a area sales manager, he has to personally the customer aid along with team and analyze the issue thoroughly, uh, and has to taken corrective actions so the issue will not reoccur. And he has to provide the training to his team member so he can handle such a situation in future to analyze the any issue correctly. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Prashant. So you have given us like how you can handle it overall, or your overall view on how to handle this problem. So, okay. Suman, if you are not there, it's okay. Then the other input we are getting from Sandeep. Customer should be given confidence and timeline to resolve the problem. The manager should do YY analysis with team members to improve their morale. Okay, great. So, yes, Sandeep, if you are there, you can speak up. Anybody else who would like to input? And we will.
Hello.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you. I had some problem before, so I couldn't speak.
Acha.
The first of all, we should understand what the customer wants. According to that, we have to understand his problems, and the same problem should be taken to our team members and to ask them what is the problem. Doing YY analysis, which is that what is the problem, why it has been created, how to solve it, when to solve it, what are the solutions. That solutions input should be taken from the team member and to work with them with the problems to set and the problem with customer satisfaction. Both these problems should be taken together and solved.
Okay, so like we have received so many inputs from here now. So before we move towards the final answer, I would like to request any of you to give me a little bit of gist of what you have understood from all the points which the students have presented here so far. So anybody who would like to give me a little bit of a brief of what are the points which were presented here? Anybody is interested in doing so? So because, yeah, ma'am, okay, my voice is low. So, yeah, so what I have understood that the students here have given, different point of view. Somebody who was interested okay, we should inform the higher hierarchy and we should involve all the members in the management. They should be informed in time, and we need to analyze the situation first where the problem is, isn't it? And then act accordingly. So anybody who can just give me a brief of what we have discussed here. If not, then we will move on to the answer. So I will request Mr. Doshi here to give his insights here now, finally, as he is the expert here for the situation. So yes.
Finally, thank you for giving such a superb and very deep answers. Literally appreciated to everyone. You're giving us such a superb answers. So, in my opinion, being a area manager, initially first you have to understand whether the issue is coming from, whether it's initial from product line or it's initially started from customer end. Because if you go through the scenario, there are two things are happening. One is one of our team member is facing issue at product line, and second one is the customer is facing the issue. Okay, so initially we need to cater both the things, and we have to understand from where the problem is getting started. Because sometime happens that when product reach to the customer, and due to some such like a lack of knowledge or some training related issues, or not or customer is not aware about the whole functioning of that setup, he is facing the issues initially. As such, like संदीप जी ने बोला, प्रशांत जी ने बोला, राहुल मोहम्मद जी ने बोला, उसके बाद सुमित जी ने बताया, तो इनिशियली फर्स्ट स्टेप ये है कि आप ये अंडरस्टैंड करिए प्रॉब्लम अराइज कहाँ से हुआ है, whether it's actually arise from the customer end initially or it's arise from the product line. If initially it's arise from customer end and after that it comes at product line, so we can get we have to just search from where first it is. आप पहले उसको शॉर्ट आउट करिए, वहां से आपको एक्चुअल पता चलेगा कि आपको किस वे में जाना है, whether you have to repair it, whether you have to replace it, or whatever you need to do. So if we'll taken like the issue is starting from the product line itself, okay, at the initial stage. So if somehow it was missed during the testing, okay, so when normally what happens, every company will take a product from the batch and it will like multiple product, or some companies having limited product, so they will take randomly a product from that particular batch and they will test it. So there might be possibility this type of thing can happen, but before that, initially what happens, the QA team is working on that. Once QA team is completely okay with that, that what they have asked and they receive the same, then that product is reached to the particular team. So might be possible there is a something happen at the last end. Okay, so if it's not, then what we have to do, then you have to initially discuss with that particular team member, else just try to communicate some other team members, whether he is the only responsible for this, or is there he is facing the same issue during his working only. So from that point of view, you can get that what is the actual problem. Is there any manpower workmanship issue, whether it's a product itself issue or it is something else. After that, if you find out that okay, there is a issue with the particular product only, then simple, just go ahead and get this initially praise that particular person that who identify the issue, get it with their particular plant team, share their inputs, their teammates inputs and your inputs accordingly, and then initially raise it. Because if such type of issues are happen at product line, then initially companies are doing the one thing, and that was the simply they will change the product, and this is called a campaign activity. Okay, they will directly replace the product on FOC basis. So it depends कि कहाँ पे आपका issue arise हुआ है. Second, अगर आपका issue जो arise हुआ है, okay, अगर आपका इशू अराइज हुआ है कस्टमर एंड पे, सो इनिशियली हमको ये अंडरस्टैंड करना पड़ेगा कि जब हम लोगों की टीम जाती है कमीशनिंग के लिए या कस्टमर को गाइड करने, ट्रेन करने के लिए या प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बताने के लिए, उस टाइम पे ऐसा तो नहीं कि हमारी ग्राउंड टीम से कुछ गड़बड़ हो रही है. अगर वहां पर मेरी ग्राउंड टीम से ही गलती हो रही है, तो फर्स्ट मुझे मेरी ग्राउंड टीम को एजुकेट करना है. अगर वहां पर इशू नहीं है, कस्टमर को लेक ऑफ नॉलेज है या कस्टमर को कुछ इशू फेस हो रहा है जिसके चलते वो यूज नहीं कर पा रहा है. बहुत सी बार क्या होता है, कस्टमर के अलग अलग ऑपरेटर्स होते हैं. सो सम ऑपरेटर्स आर लाइक कि हाँ ओके हमको आता है, वी कैन डू इट, बट सम ऑपरेटर्स आर लाइक कि उनको मल्टीपल टाइम्स आपको बताना पड़ता है. आफ्टर दैट दे कैन रीच टू दैट लेवल कि हाँ अब मैं इस चीज को यूज कर सकता हूँ. सो यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई वेयर इट इज प्रॉब्लम इज. अगर प्रोडक्ट में अल्टीमेटली आपने सारी चीज इफेक्टिवली वहां परफॉर्म कर दी है, आपने अपनी टीम को भेजा, आपकी टीम ने वहां पे अल्टीमेटली फाइनल उन्होंने गाइड किया, सब कुछ किया, आपकी टीम ने उसको रेस कर दिया, और आफ्टर दैट भी अगर सेम प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है, देन इट्स डेफिनेटली प्रोडक्ट इशू. देन कलेक्ट द डिटेल्ड इंफॉर्मेशन, discuss with the each and everything with customer and inform him, okay sir, we are looking into it and we'll definitely solve it within this time frame, or give us some time, we'll discuss with my team and we'll assure you at what time we can resolve you. Else we can go for the like product exchange, or like अगर आपको पता होगा तो कुछ कंपनीज हैं, जैसा मतलब इंडिया में भी बीच में माइट बी इंडिया में नहीं, आउट ऑफ इंडिया कोई एक कार का बड़ा ब्रांड था, उन लोगों को कुछ इश्यूज फेस हुए थे. आई थिंक BMW वाज दैट ब्रांड. उन लोगों को उनकी व्हीकल में कुछ इश्यूज फेस हुए थे पर्टिकुलर दैट मॉडल में, तो उन्होंने सारी कार्स को कॉल्ड ऑफ किया था और उसको रिपेयर करके या रिवर्क करके उन्होंने वापस कस्टमर्स को दिया था. सो अगर आपका प्रोडक्ट वैसा है तो यू कैन डू दैट. एल्स अगर आप प्रोडक्ट डायरेक्ट रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं, लाइक कि मेरा जो पर्टिकुलर जो भी प्रोडक्ट है या जो भी मेरा उस प्रोडक्ट में पर्टिकुलर एक पार्ट के कारण अगर वो इशू हो रहा है, तो यू कैन जस्ट रिप्लेस दैट पार्ट. एल्स वी हैव टू गो फॉर द रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ दैट पार्ट ओनली, दैट प्रोडक्ट ओनली, सॉरी. So this is the basic approach you have to follow. In the meantime, from your team or someone from our ground team who has to be keep in touch with the customer always. जस्ट बिकॉज अगर आप कस्टमर को टाइम टू टाइम अपडेट देंगे तो उसका जो फ्रस्ट्रेशन लेवल है वो ऑटोमेटिक डाउन हो जाएगा, एल्स ही विल गेटिंग फ्रस्ट्रेटेड ऑन डेली बेसिस एंड माइट बी वो फ्रस्ट्रेशन फिर आगे जाके शायद एंगर में निकलेगा, which will be not at all good for any company or some personal level also, because it will ultimately hamper the business relation as well as professional relations as well.
Okay, sir. So thank you for your input here, sir. And yes, your the way you have presented it, it's really, you know, in very elaborate way, considering all the points here which the students have presented. So yeah, thank you so much for giving a solution to this situation. And definitely this is a situation, so you know there could be multiple ways of handling it, not a particular way that
Exactly.
yeah. So yes. So yeah, so here whoever presented, whoever spoke up to, you know, to give their inputs here, I am really it's really appreciable for you all that you showed your courage and your leadership skills here, that you took up the responsibility, you came up on the mic and you spoke up, you know. So yes, that's great. And I just hope that, you know, you will keep on being a part of such discussion, because we will be arranging such discussions in future as well, depending on various topics. Okay. So yes, so I would like to first thank you here, Mr. Doshi, for his really, you know, a wonderful session and wonderful insights into the area of service management. I really am glad to have you here on this session, and your insights and your experiences, which were very relatable, and how effortlessly you shared it with them definitely shows how you know, how much of knowledge you have and how much of passion you have for this. So thank you so much. Thank you for sharing your views here. And yes, students, if you want to give any of your input here for this session, we have shared a link on the chat box for your feedback. So I will request you all to share your views there on our form, which has been shared in the chat box with you all. It will really help us to add on to this, you know, to this platform. And also those who are interested to be on the other side, means to be a speaker of this on this platform, I would request you all also to I will request you all also to share your details here. So I will be sharing one form, student detail form here in the chat. You all can put your details there, okay, in that form. Okay. Oh, the link is not working, so just give some minute. We will just check that. Okay, so we will be sharing another link where you all can put in your name also. Just give me a minute to check why it is not working. Okay, in the meantime, if you have any questions, please go ahead. Sir is available here, and I will be sharing shortly with you all the LinkedIn link also, so that you can connect with him later. Okay, just give me a minute to. Okay, so students, you can try now if you can reply on the Google form which we have shared.
Miss Priya, we can do one thing. जब तक ये लोग continue कर रहे हैं, we can just give the answers of the rest of the things.
Yes, yes, please.
Okay. So some earlier questions are there. First, like Rahul जी का एक repeated question है regarding their career. So, बड़ी sorry to say, but it's much better अगर आप उस field में interested हो, then you can go for that, because practically saying I am not a career counselor. Okay, so मैं exactly उस चीज के लिए आपको respond नहीं कर सकता. So it's much better अगर आप किसी career counselor के पास जाएं और उससे suggest करें. Either you can just find out what you want to do. If you are interested in doing some creating things, or your mind is a creative mind, then digital marketing will be the best one. Else you can ask your like from yourself what you are expert and what you can do best. So choose accordingly and wisely. So it will be helpful for you.
Yes. If there are any other questions.
Yes, Srishti was there. Sometimes you are not able to provide service on time to customer, then customer get hyper on you for your service. That time, how you deal with that situation? Initially, Srishti, you have to get the information that अगर आपने customer को कुछ भी commit किया है, okay. So first thing is that आप commitment तभी देते हो जब आपको पता है कि मैं हाँ उस दिन जा सकता हूँ या जा सकती हूँ या मैं उस दिन उस कस्टमर को अप्रोच कर सकता हूँ. अगर आपको कभी भी ऐसा कुछ फील आता है कि नहीं मैं उस दिन नहीं जा पाऊंगा या समहाउ कुछ ऐसा इमरजेंसी आ जाता है जिसके चलते आप नहीं जा पा रहे हो, देन यू हैव टू बी फर्स्ट इन्फॉर्म टू कस्टमर. अगर आप एडवांस में इन्फॉर्म करते हो सो आपको कभी भी कस्टमर को फेस करने में प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी. लेकिन लास्ट मिनट कोई इमरजेंसी अगर क्रिएट होती है देन देखिए अल्टीमेटली कस्टमर भी ह्यूमन बीइंग है, वो उस चीज को समझते हैं. लेकिन अगर आप सेम चीज रिपीटेड मोड पे करोगे देन डेफिनेटली फिर आप कस्टमर को फेस नहीं कर पाओगे. सो यू हैव टू डू ऑन प्रायोरिटी कि अगर आपसे कुछ चीज मिस हो रही है तो जस्ट इन्फॉर्म हिम इन एडवांस. सो इट विल बी ऑन विन विन सिचुएशन फॉर बोथ, बिकॉज माइट भी बहुत सी बार कस्टमर स्पेशली आपके लिए अपना कुछ टाइम पीरियड या अपना टाइम स्लॉट निकाल के वहां आया होगा कि मेरे को ये करवाना है.
यस सर,
Yeah.
थैंक यू. मेरा एक क्वेश्चन और था कि
जी.
जैसे आपने बताया कि लैक ऑफ नॉलेज होती है, लैक ऑफ ट्रेनिंग होती है कस्टमर्स के अंदर, तो क्या
जी.
सर हम लोग उनके लिए डेमो वीडियोस अवेलेबल कर सकते हैं कि वो लोग
होता
डेमो?
है, करते हैं. नॉर्मली क्या होता है जस्ट लाइक अगर मैं मेरी टीम की बात करूं सो मेरे जितने भी साइट इंजीनियर्स हैं, मेरे जितने भी साइट टेक्नीशियंस हैं और मेरे जितने भी मेरे अंडर में MIS और डीलर HODs हैं, इनिशियली जब भी कोई नया बंदा ज्वाइन करता है तो फर्स्ट उसको ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है. बिकॉज अगर वो प्रोडक्ट को नहीं समझेगा तो वो कभी आगे नहीं बता पाएगा. सो इनिशियली उसको ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है. साथ में ये कम्युनिकेट किया जाता है जब भी आप कस्टमर से मिल रहे हैं, इट्स अ रेगुलर कस्टमर, आप उसको फ्रिक्वेंट सर्विसेज दे रहे हैं या नया कस्टमर है, आप कस्टमर के साथ में अगर कुछ भी चीजें शेयर करोगे सो कस्टमर उसको हैप्पीली एक्सेप्ट करता है और वो आपको हमेशा इस चीज के लिए प्रेस करेगा कि आपने मुझे कुछ नया सिखा के गए. सो इन दैट केस ट्रेनिंग वाज द बेस्ट वन. और अगर आप डायरेक्ट वन ऑन वन ट्रेनिंग दे के आ रहे हो कस्टमर को कि आप कस्टमर की साइट विजिट कर रहे हो, वहां पे जाके आप कुछ भी बता के आ रहे हो, सो इट विल बी मोर बेनिफिशियल. या
जैसे एक रिलायंस का मैं एग्जांपल दूंगी, रिलायंस डिजिटल आपने भी सुना होगा. जैसे कि क्या होता है कि समटाइम्स क्या होता है कस्टमर ऑन टाइम बहुत हाइपर हो जाते हैं,
एग्जैक्टली
हो जाते हैं कि मुझे ये एक्सचेंज ही करना है या तो मेरा अमाउंट रिटर्न करिए. तो उस बिहाफ पे क्या होता है, अमाउंट तो रिटर्न होता नहीं एज अ टर्म ऑफ पॉलिसी उसके उसमें, वो लोग क्रेडिट नोट का बेनिफिट लेते हैं.
एग्जैक्टली.
हाँ, तो लेकिन इसका यूज क्या है? क्रेडिट नोट पे तो हम लोग सिर्फ रिलायंस से ही परचेज कर सकते हैं ना, अदरवाइज हम लोग कोई और ऑप्शन से तो जा नहीं सकते.
देखिए सिंपल है, कंपनी का अपना पॉलिसी है, ठीक है. अगर वो हर जगह आपको पैसा देने लग गई तो फिर कंपनी का क्या होगा अल्टीमेटली, वो उसको भी तो फाइनेंशियल इम्पैक्ट झेलना पड़ेगा. सो व्हाट ही कैन डू, ही सिंपली बाउंड यू विथ हिम. सिंपल, बिल्कुल बेसिक अगर आप बोलोगे तो वो उसको आपको अपने तक ही सीमित रखती कि जब आप वापस परचेस करने आओगे तो बट ऑब्वियसली वो पैसा घूम फिर के फिर कंपनी के पास ही जाने वाला है. और ये हर कंपनी की पॉलिसी होती है. इट्स नॉट अबाउट ओनली रिलायंस, इट्स एवरीवन्स पॉलिसी. क्योंकि अल्टीमेटली उसने आपको कुछ सर्विस दी है तो उसके अगेंस्ट में उसको कुछ तो रिटर्न मिलना चाहिए. इट इज जस्ट लाइक दैट.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.
Okay. So you can think on career guidance after seeing so many questions.
Students, just meanwhile, when the questions are getting answered here, I would request you all to give your feedback on the form which I have shared. Okay, so it's available now. Please share.
सुनीता जी, मेरा एक्सपर्टाइज अभी तक उसमें कुछ है नहीं और आई डोंट थिंक कि मेरे को उसमें जाना चाहिए. I will be a technical guy and I am more happy if I am that one only, because career guidance is not my cup of tea. Totally, it's very much far from me. Thank you कि आपने इतना अप्रिशिएट किया कि सजेशंस अच्छे लगे. That's thank you for me. It's a really good compliment. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you so much, everybody who really participated here.
मिस्टर लाल जी, आपने जो लिखा है, देखिए एसओपीज या प्रोसेस या फ्लो चार्ट अगर आपको चाहिए तो यू कैन गेट इट फ्रॉम द गूगल एज वेल, ओके। बिकॉज कोई भी प्रोसेस होती है, फ्लो चार्ट होता है, वो एज पर आपकी वर्किंग बनता है। कुछ अगर आपको बेसिक प्रोसेस, बेसिक फ्लो चार्ट चाहिए कि कैसा काम करेगा, तो यू कैन गेट इट फ्रॉम गूगल इटसेल्फ। बाकी आप जिस फील्ड में हैं वहां से आप उसको खुद इंप्लीमेंट करके अपने हिसाब से बना सकते हैं कि क्या प्रोसेस होना चाहिए एंड व्हाट विल बी द बेस्ट वन।
Hello. So, sir, there is one more question from Anil Gite. Is hello, I am service buyer and I am getting lot of service parts requirements that are always on urgent basis. What are the precautions slash KPIs need to be taken to cater this requirement on time?
अनिल जी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप एक चीज ये कर सकते हैं कि आप उसको इस वे में शॉर्ट आउट कर सकते हैं कि कौन सा ऐसा पार्ट है जो बहुत फ्रिक्वेंट आपको लग रहा है, ओके। सो आप उसका थोड़ा बहुत स्टॉक अपने पास मेंटेन कर सकते हैं। सेकेंड थिंग, अर्जेंट कुछ भी होता है, सब में टाइम लगता है, ठीक है, अर्जेंसी के लिए भी टाइम चाहिए। सो समहाउ ये आपको कस्टमर को समझाना पड़ेगा कि बॉस आप मांग रहे हैं, आई एम अप्रिशिएट इट, बट समहाउ ठीक है, उसके लिए जो एक शेड्यूल टाइम है उतना चाहिए। अगर आप मुझे थोड़ा बहुत एडवांस में इंफॉर्मेशन दे सकते हैं कि मुझे इतने दिन बाद समहाउ इतना या कुछ भी लग सकता है प्रोडक्ट, सो मैं एडवांस में थोड़ा बहुत कुछ अरेंज वहां पे कर सकता हूँ। सो मोस्टली ये आपकी एज वेल एज कस्टमर दोनों को विन विन सिचुएशन में लेके आ जाएगा। तो आपका जो अल्टीमेटली गोल है, आपका बिजनेस हैम्पर नहीं होगा, एज वेल एज कस्टमर हमेशा आपके पास रहेगा।
So, Mr. Anil, I hope your question is answered here. Okay, so any more questions? We will take one last question. Anybody? Okay. So, I hope the students, you all have responded on the Google form which we have shared in the chat box for your feedback, and also our recorded session which we have conducted in the past as well as this session will be available on your LMS, as well as it will be available on our YouTube channel of MITSD under the playlist Synergy Sphere. So you can refer all our sessions there as well. And the link for the YouTube
Hello.
channel, yes, is already been shared here in the chat box. Also, we have shared one Google form with you. So if anybody of you are interested,
Hello.
yes, so your voice is clear. Just give me a minute to complete it.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So yeah, if you want to be a part of this session, if you want to be a speaker here, or you want to be a part of the group discussion, you can give your name here in our Google form. Okay. So we will be inviting you as one of our speakers here on this platform, and you will get a chance to be on the other side. So yeah, I'm anticipating a lot of your inputs here in the form. Yes, you may go on, proceed. Can you please introduce yourself before asking the question? Hello? Somebody was having a query, isn't it?
ओके, अमोल जी ने मेंशन किया है, आई एम वर्किंग इन HR डिपार्टमेंट, आई फेस शॉर्ट एंड एब्सेंट मैन पावर। अमोल जी, इसके आगे कुछ?
You can unmute, sir, if you are there. Okay. So I have also shared the LinkedIn profile link for Mr. Doshi here. Okay, then you all can connect with him on LinkedIn if you have any further, you want to have any further discussion. Okay, not a problem. Those who have by mistake filled their details, we will definitely check for whether you are eligible or not. So don't worry, if it is filled, it's fine. Okay. So now we will this session. Yes, you will get the recordings. You will get it on YouTube as well as on your LMS. So you will be able to see. Okay. So now we are moving towards the end of the session. So I would request you all to just switch on your camera so that we can have a cute screenshot of you all being a part of this session. can you all please be on camera so that we can get a screenshot with you all here? Okay. Yeah, I'm waiting for many students to switch on their camera. I can see so many beautiful faces here. Good to see you all, and I hope that you all enjoyed the session and it helped you in learning as well.
Ma'am, actually, I missed the season. I've just joined the season. Already
कोई बात
finished.
नहीं sir, आप photo में आ जाओ.
Already finished the session actually. So I
Okay,
want to
you.
see in LMS, ma'am. If
Acha,
you.
yes, sir. You will be able to see.
Okay, thanks.
Immediately it will be available. Yes. Okay, I'm clicking a screenshot for you all. So, just so thank you all. We got a screenshot. Thank you for this being a part of this. But please don't leave. We have a little bit, just want to tell you all that we will be soon conducting one more session under this initiative. Tentatively, it will be on 11th of May, or we conduct these sessions on any of the Saturdays, especially. Why? Because you all are mostly available on Saturdays. So, yes.
Madam, if any feedback link,
हाँ जी,
actually, I just received a Google Form link, but this is a for lecture, right?
For?
Actually, I just received a speaker, BA speaker synergy.
Yeah, sir, there are two Google Forms shared with you. One is for being a speaker, another is for your feedback. So feedback is
So
also.
feedback link not received, madam. Please kindly share again.
We will share it. Yes. I will request Monica to please share it in the chat box.
Yes.
Okay, so sir, I would just like to thank our speaker for today. This is the question which we had for group discussion for Pankaj, who joined just now. So this was a question for us today. And I would like to thank our sir here for his wonderful inputs. So this is for you, sir. Thank you for you being a wonderful part of this initiative. And we really appreciate your efforts. We will be sharing this with you soon on your email. And anybody who is interested being here on this platform, please give your names. So thank you so much. Thank you all of you students for being on camera and giving your all the other students who gave their inputs for the discussion, who took part in this session. So thank you once again. And all of you have a good evening here today. And have a good weekend also. Okay.
Thank
And
you
if
so much for patiently सुनने के लिए.
Sir, yes. So you are very wonderful, sir, and your insights really helped. So therefore, definitely. And as always, Lalji has always given us a really wonderful feedback for every of our sessions. So thank you so much, Mr. Lalji, for your inputs every time we have a session. So yes, thank you everyone. And if you have any query related to this, you can always raise a ticket on our e-library regarding this Synergy Sphere initiative if you want to know anything. Also, you can email us. The email ID is also in the chat. So anything you want to know, you can connect with us on email as well as on the ticket. We will prefer tickets more than email, okay? So yes, thank you so much. And hope to see you all in the next session as well. Okay, so we will end the session.